One of the most rewarding and unexpected parts of my time in law school was learning that my talent, my desire to craft individual relationships with people, to provide mentorship, provide service that I did in other ways of my life prior to law school can be a part of, and is in fact an integral part of being a lawyer, was awesome. My name's Leslie Andrew Ridings. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I'm a 3L at Columbia Law School. One of the things I didn't know about law schools until I got into one was the abundance of student groups and organizations. I tried to take full advantage of that. I was very lucky. I was able to serve on the executive board of First Generation Professionals. I was a first-gen student, and there's a huge presumption of knowledge when you enter law school. They will help you. And hopefully something I did will help you too, because one of the meaningful things that I did as part of that group was totally redesign the 1L Survival Guide. I entered the group wanting to provide mentorship, and I got a big chance to do that. I think the way that my background affected my time in law school is it gave me and other people who maybe were questioning what they had to do, who they had to be, what they had to look like to be a law student, another option. And I'm hoping that that was something that I embraced, my individuality and my personal experience, and yet I'm still able to be here in Columbia and still be a contributing member of class. And hopefully that was helpful for them as well, just to get another totally different experience. Before law school, I had a whole career in media and entertainment. I had really enjoyed what I was doing in Los Angeles. I was running my little production company. I was an adjunct professor. The reason I decided on law school was complex. One was I felt that I wanted to have a bigger seat at the table. I wanted to better understand how society worked. I wanted to better understand why it operates the way it does, and to be able to contribute to that. One thing that really impacted me, a class that made a big difference in my life, was the Immigrants' Rights Clinic. It taught me that's exactly what I wanted to do, you know, if I had my druthers in law, which is it's direct client. You're helping people who are in predominantly marginalized communities, underrepresented communities, and you're doing, I think, objectively good work. I was very happy to realize that a big part of being an attorney is having a good relationship, building a strong relationship with that client, building trust. You have the privilege of being not only a mentor, but to some degree a counselor legally and I think empathically, and maybe even a friend.